1 glass of milk. I have taken full cream milk. You can take toned milk if you want. Then we need soaked almonds. I have taken 10 to 15 pieces of almonds. A pinch of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon sugar and few strands of kesar or saffron. Firstly, we'll prepare almond paste. For this, we will take soaked almonds. You need to soak the almonds for overnight and then remove the skin and use these almonds. Soaked almonds are easily digested by the body. To this, we'll add sugar, cardamom powder. If you do not have cardamom or the elaichi powder, then you can add cardamoms directly. There are two options to use saffron. Either you can add the saffron directly into this paste, or you can soak almond in hot milk for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can add this into the paste. Then to this we will add little milk. Then we'll blend it to get a nice paste. Simultaneously, we'll take a pan into which we have added milk and we'll bring it to boil. Once milk starts to boil, then you need to reduce down the flame and simmer it for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that it becomes even more thick. Keep stirring in between to avoid sticking of milk at the base and the sides of the pan. After that, we will add our blended badam paste into it. And we will continue to stir it. Reduce down the flame and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste. And even instead of sugar, you can add condensed milk as well. The aroma of cardamom, saffron really lifts up the flavor of whole badam milk we are preparing. This is really beneficial for kids, feeding mothers, and even in general for everyone. It is loaded with health benefits. It helps to improve memory. It helps to improve your skin. Especially in hot summers, this badam milk refreshes us throughout the day. I simply love this milkshake. You can have it cold, you can have it warm as per your taste. Now switch off the flame and then you can chill the badam shake for some time in refrigerator, or if you want a warm badam milkshake, then you can have it just like that. Now let's serve our almond milk. This is one of the healthiest summer drink which you can prepare. Garnish it with sliced almonds. And you can further add few strands of saffron to it, and your almond milk is ready to serve. These are dried dates which are commonly called as chuara in Hindi. Generally, chuara look like this. This is one piece of chuara or dried date. I am using these broken pieces of dried date. Dry dates are warm in nature, so it is good to have it with milk, especially during winter months. So before starting with the recipe, I'll show you how we can use chuara. You can see this is very hard, so normally what we do is we need to either soak it in water or boil it with milk. Still, these are so hard, so it is difficult to consume it. I'll be sharing a tip with you how to use chuara. So what we'll do is we'll grind chuara to a powder form. Here is my chuara powder ready. You can store it in an airtight container and you can keep it for as long as you want. Also, now you can use this powder whenever you want in any of the recipes. You can either add it in any kind of laddus, or you can even use it to make burfis. Any other dessert you want to make, you can use this chuara powder. Now let us see how to make this chuara milk. What we'll do is we'll take 1 glass of milk in a pan. Heat the milk. Once heated, we'll add spoonful of the dried dates powder which we had prepared. I've added 2 spoonsful of dried dates powder in it. We'll keep the flame on medium side. Mix it well. Now we need to boil the milk with this dried dates powder till it becomes thick. This is the easiest way to prepare dates milk. Normally we boil dried dates or dates with milk and then we need to blend it. In this case, no blending is required because we are using this powdered form. We will not add sugar at this stage. We'll allow the milk to boil and then we'll add sugar at the last stage. You can also add any other nuts of your choice. One can add chironji or powdered almonds, any other nuts which you wish to add in this dry dates milk. This milk is very beneficial for your health as it helps in relieving constipation. Also, as dry dates are good source of calcium, so it is good for bones and it is usually recommended for kids and adults. You can see the milk has started to boil. We have added 1 small teaspoon of sugar. However, you can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste. Also, keep on scraping the edges of the pan in between. And we'll continue to boil the milk for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can see this chuare ka doodh is ready. Now we'll switch off the flame and we'll serve it. I'm using these traditional cooler to serve chuare ka doodh. We'll just pour it. One can also strain this milk. However, I like this chuare ka doodh just like this, with small bits of chuara coming in my mouth. Further, we'll garnish it with few sliced almonds. So here is my very healthy chuare ka doodh ready to serve. We have chosen very simple way to prepare this chuare ka doodh or dry dates milk.
The ingredients required are: take 1 cup of seedless dates or khajoor. If you have seed dates, then you can simply remove the seeds from the khajoor. Then we need a powder of green cardamom, black cardamom and cinnamon. You can simply grind it to get this powder. Take 1 cup of milk. To begin with, you have to check the quality of the dates. If the dates are hard, then you can soak the dates in half a cup of milk for half an hour. Otherwise, you can use it directly. In a pan, heat dates and half cup of milk. We will simmer this mixture of date and milk on a medium flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes till the date becomes soft. You can see the mixture has now thickened up. We'll allow it to cool down and then we'll put it in blender and we'll blend it smooth. Simultaneously, place the rest of the milk in a pan and bring it to boil. Into this milk, you can also add the cardamom and the cinnamon powder which we had prepared. This will give a nice flavor to our flavored dates milk. When it comes to boil, then add the blended dates mixture slowly and gradually into the milk. We'll mix it and then we'll simmer it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame again. My hot khajoor milk is ready to serve now. This milk is very effective during common cough and cold, especially during the winters. So overall, khajoor milk is very nutritious and very healthy too.